Warm greetings, Twoubadou Kreyol family. It's a fantastic day today, isn't it? But not just any day. Today we're celebrating an incredible milestone. 100,000 subscribers on our Twoubadou Kreyol channel. A heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for making this possible. This achievement is not a small one, and it could not have been possible without your unwavering support and faith in us. Every like, every comment, every share, and every minute you've spent watching our videos has played a crucial role in reaching this milestone. It's your engagement that fuels our passion and keeps us going. As we bask in the joy of this achievement, I want to assure you that this is just the beginning. We are committed to bringing more quality and insightful content your way. Your feedback, your engagement, your suggestions and ideas, they've all been invaluable in shaping the content we create, and we promise to keep listening. While we're on the subject of celebration, let's take a moment to appreciate the most important part of Twoubadou Kreyol: you. You are the heart and soul of this channel. You're not just subscribers. You are members of the Twoubadou Kreyol family, the driving force that keeps this channel alive and thriving. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a final thank you. Thank you for being a part of the Twoubadou Kreyol family. Thank you for your continued support and for being a part of this wonderful journey. The road ahead is long, and I am excited to see where it takes us. Until next time, stay blessed, stay inspired, and keep being the amazing part of the Twoubadou Kreyol family that you are.